How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to walk you through how to get a $500 overdraft with Kiwibank in New Zealand. So the process is pretty much straightforward. So start by heading over to your browser and searching for Kiwibank Overdraft. Then simply click on the official Kiwibank Overdraft page. This is where the application process actually begins, since it's not always easy to find through the main homepage. So once you're on this page, you will then see all the details about Kiwibank overdrafts. So the eligibility requirements, how much you can borrow, and how interest and fees work. So for a $500 overdraft, make sure you have a current account in good standing and your account activity shows you can actually manage repayments responsibly. So to apply, you need to download the overdraft application form. Then simply fill it out with your details and submit it either via email or in branch as instructed on the page. So Kiwibank will review your application, and if approved, your overdraft limit will then be added to your account. And after that, you can then start using it to cover payments or withdrawals that go over your balance. So guys, here's a quick tip. Make sure to keep an eye on your overdraft usage in the app or online. So interest is charged on any money you use, so try to pay it back as soon as possible to avoid any extra costs. And that's it. So it's really as simple as that. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.